There you see Bell, but then it goes crazy. You see the dirt flying in the air. Around goes Mosack. And when that happens, you just can't see where you're going.
And there was some, see the 26 of Dawson Sutton there. Thankful that those tire barriers are there. Just came through there with a lot of pace. Couldn't quite tell how he got turned around from that angle.
I think he just tries to clear the wreck and just can't see where he's going.
Another big hit there as they have to repair the tire.